here with Quentin Veron in Tunisia. So how's Tunisia treating you so far?
Well, really pretty cool. I just arrived this morning, but it looks really cool. Everyone is nice and it's nice to be here.
And can you talk about the collection that you're going to show today?
So actually, it's not like a proper collection. Actually, it's like three different collections I mixed together. So that is like basically one of my first collection was all black and white. After one of my second collection was mostly with gold, and like my last collection was all black. So I mixed all of them to make kind of a story about like really like the main pieces of all my collections that I mixed together to make a show today.
That's really cool. Can you talk a little bit about the pieces? Because you were telling me about, you're using fox fur and the birds, the rooster birds, the rooster feathers, and and suede and everything. Can you talk about techniques you use?
Yeah, so mostly my collection is mostly only fox fur, and I mix it with goat, like long hair goat, which is what I love to work. It's like I'm known to mix like goat and fox together to create like some volumes. After, of course, I always mix some feathers in it because I love the mix with fur and feathers. So I will use some rooster feathers, like all for the necks or the tails feathers, to create like some more material and to create like kind of a new animal in it. Like it looks like you have a new animal that doesn't exist mixed with fur and feathers. And after, of course, the leather is here too because like I love the leather, so I do like fringy skirts with the leather and stuff like that.
You're inspired by shadow and light, right?
Yeah, I love that. I love because like when I create my collection, my pieces, it's always like a volume first. Like I see just a black volume, like a shadow. Like if there's a big light behind, I just see like a form, just a silhouette. And so I start with that, and after I play with the light. I love when like in fur, what is really beautiful is like when the light goes into it, it makes some changement because of the light or stuff like that. And I love to work on that. It's why I mix a lot of material because like this you have a kind of an ambience of mix of lights in it.
And you make it all by hand?
Yeah. It's all made in Paris in my workshop.
And do you have a big team or do you work a lot by yourself?
I mean, for the couture pieces, it's mostly I do it by myself. Mostly for the prototypes, but for couture, there's almost only prototypes. But after for the other collection, yeah, I do the prototypes, and after it goes to my workshop with my workers. Like I have like 3 workers working with me at the workshop.
How long would it take you to make, let's say, the dress that you're going to show today?
Oh, the dress. I mean, the last dress, which is the main piece, I call it the Raven dress. One of my favorite pieces. It took like 10 days to make it because everything is sewn by hand inside, like for the feathers, to attach the fur on the silk and everything. So it takes like 10 days, kind of.
And it's inspired by a raven?
Yeah, it was actually this collection was called The Raven, like inspired by the poem of Edgar Allan Poe, The Raven. So yeah, so basically like today you're gonna see like the first collection, the black and white collection, was kind of inspired by Beetlejuice, the movie from Tim Burton. After the gold collection was inspired from the like Cour des Miracles, which is kind of this gypsy things that was like in the beginning of the century under the Notre Dame. Like
what is that?
Those Bohemians and stuff like that. It was a collection I made for the Bohemians and everything. And the last collection is more like kind of Baroque Gothic. It's more inspired by the Raven of Edgar Allan Poe. So it's a mix about all my inspiration, kind of. It's like kind of a mini retrospective of my show, which is not really a retrospective, but it's kind of like that.
Well, we can't wait to see it. So thank you very much for talking to us.
Thanks to you.